Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have a BMW X3 X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the 4x4 fuse and relay are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3 X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, so for the 4x4, where we can expect to find the fuses and the relays, also known as xDRIVE, right? 4x4 xDRIVE. So we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. That's we'll demonstrate on that BMW, but BMW X3 X4, they share the same platform, so it should work for both. We'll check multiple fuse boxes. The first one that we need to open the passenger door here. You need to open the glove box, empty the content of the glove box. In the very back on the right side you have a cover. Press that tab, pull the cover out. Behind it guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, we need to check 5 fuses. We'll talk about relays, we'll talk about where else we need to check, but okay, if we zoom in a little bit, the first one that we need to check is fuse number 37. It's that fuse that you see right here, the second fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 40 right there, that one needs to be checked too. After that, we need to come to the bottom. We'll zoom in a little bit. You see that row of fuses, that's fuse number 62, so 63 needs to be checked, and 64, and then you need to check fuse number 66. Check that relay here as well. In the trunk guys, if you remove that cover and leave the insulation up behind it, you have another fuse box. You don't have any fuses or relays there specifically, but just in case guys, you have some hidden relays here and that one, check those. And if you leave that cover, underneath you'll find the car battery. On the top of the car battery, actually there are multiple fuses. You can test them without opening it, but we open one to show you what it looks like. Check out how many fuses you have, check those as well. Next, here guys, okay, on the passenger side in front of the windshield. See, remove that cover. We have video how to do that in the fuse box location video on our channel. Here next to the cabin air filter you have a fuse box, and one there that looks like this one. But the most important one that we need is on the driver's side. Remove that cover as well. Underneath you will find the brake fluid reservoir. You will find that cover, pull that clip, and when you remove the white cover underneath is that module right here. If you remove it, it looks like this one. Now if something goes bad, you're supposed to replace it, but we'll have a video how to take it apart and replace fuses inside of it. If you open it, check this thing out, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays that are for engine management, drivetrain, all-wheel drive, multiple things. So these fuses will need to be checked if you have problems with the all-wheel drive, also known as transfer case or 4x4 fuses and relays. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.